Hey everybody, so this is a pretty exciting day today. We got the Speedtech Performance Extreme Kit and Torque Arm Suspension in the mail today. You might have seen a few other videos that we were getting a kit from them earlier in the year. So let's go ahead, unbox everything, and I'll show you what we got. Got all the steel cans. Ooh, see the front clip? Let's move some stuff. Alright, look at that. Looks awesome. Can't wait to unpack it. There we go. It's all unpacked. You can see the Speedtech torque arm. We have the new steering rack, control arms, spindle, Corvette hubs, cross members, mounts, inner fender skirts, and the brand new frame rails slash subframe. Awesome. I can't wait for this guy to be in the car. Subframe assembly. All my frame rails are going to get cut out and this will be put in its place. You can see it's going to have plenty of room with the notch out right here for tires. We got new towers. Now this is going to be able to be removed in and out of the car, just like a original subframe or K-member. Everything has also been boxed in and gusseted. We're actually going to paint this the same color as the body. With the way that this is all designed and everything, this is going to give us the ability to run about a 315 tire, maybe even a 335 tire in the front of the Superbee. All the transmission cross members and everything came in the kit, and like I said, everything has been welded together and gusseted. All the brackets and necessary hardware that is needed to install. We have motor mounts and everything for the Gen 3 Hemi. This little guy right here is going to help hold the pinion on our new 9-inch that's going to go with the car. These are going to be the new inner fender skirts. That's going to help make clearance for those big tires. Obviously, we got every single nut and bolt meant for the kit. We have new down bars, steering shaft. We also have new control arms from Speedtech Performance. This is really cool. It is a forged aluminum spindle, custom made by Speedtech Performance with a C7 Corvette hub. This is the rear torque arm. This is the same setup that you might have seen in the video with the blue El Camino that I raced. This is the steering rack that's going in the car. You can see how small it is just by my hand laying there. It's by Sweet Manufacturing, and this thing will give me 30 plus degrees of turning. Now I still have to order the shocks, which we're going to do the mod shocks from QA1, since QA1 and Speedtech Performance are one company now and they work together. Also, you overheard me say something about a 9-inch. This actually came with a 9-inch housing and third member to put in the car. The axle housing just happened to be at home, so I'll grab a quick clip of that as well. So this is our third member. This has a true track in it. This is the 9-inch, of course, again, and it has a 3.0 gear, and here's the housing. Already has all the brackets fabricated, welded onto the housing. It's all measured to spec for what I needed for the car, so it should be relatively bolt together for the most part on the rear end of stuff. So you may wonder why we're going to put this kit in the car. Well, it's because of the Superbee, the frame rail started to rust away on it. It actually ripped the metal, rust started pouring out of the frame rail, so this guy right here, it's just going to go ahead and replace the frame rails. If we didn't do this, we could just go to Autometal Direct and get new frame rails, a lot like we're doing with the 68 Superbee. So give us a follow. You're going to see me install this. I'll make videos, comments, posts, blogs about it and everything. If you're curious what this setup looks like altogether, this is a quick shot that I took of the kit while we were at SEMA show. Speedtech also offers the same setup for the rear end in a IRS setup, and also they offer a full frame for the B-body Mopar.